So, as you probably read in the title, this is a tutorial telling you how to set up a Minecraft server. I've been asked quite a lot recently how I set them up, so I thought I'd just put this video together to show you how to do it, since it's easier to explain it on video than it is to explain it through text. So, the first thing we need to do is to set up a port forward through which your Minecraft server can act. So to do that, you're going to have to bring up your command line, and you can access that by going into your search menu, typing in CMD and clicking on it. There it is there. Now you need to type in ipconfig and press enter. That will bring up this long line of various information about your IP configuration, but the one that you need is this one here, the IPv4 address. Now you'll need to make a note of this, it will come important later, so I'm just going to keep that open and minimize that down. The next thing you need to do is log into your server details, log into your router details. Now this varies from router to router, and you'll normally be able to find out how to do this by looking on the bottom of your router. In my case, I'm a Netgear, so I have to go on to router login and type in a username and password. Obviously you'll have to type in your own username and password, and you should find them on the bottom of the router, so there's not a lot I can do to help you there. You'll just have to find out what to do for yourself. So once you're inside your router, obviously you'll probably have a different screen to this depending on which router you're using. It varies from router to router. You'll have to find the port forwarding / port triggering tab, which is what I'm on here. And from here you can set up a new port through which your Minecraft server will act. So I've already set one up here, as you can see, but I'll just go to add it again just so that you can see how I actually put it in there. So I just go on to add custom service. Service name, you can call it whatever you want, so gibberish, doesn't really matter. Now Minecraft acts through the port 25565, so you'll have to put that in for both the starting port and the ending port. Finally, for the server IP address, this is where that thing came in earlier that I told you to note down. So as you can see here, my IPv4 address was ended in 04. Therefore, for this to work, I need to type in 04 as well. Now obviously when I apply this, it will tell me that it's not going to work because I've already got one in that service, because I've already set up a Minecraft one previously, this one in fact. But basically once you've done that, the port is then set up and you're pretty much ready to go. Then, to be honest, all you have to do then is download the Minecraft server software from the website and start it up. So run that, and we'll see the server starting up there, and I'll just open up Minecraft so I can log into the server to prove that everything's working. So you can log into your own server by direct connecting and typing in local host, like so, join server. As for any of your friends that want to join the server, they'll need to know what your outgoing port is. I've included in the description a link to a page I use all the time, which is good for IP addresses, telling you which is good for telling you what your IP is, so that you can give it to a friend so they can join you on your server. Other than that, that's pretty much all there is to it. Do bear in mind that your IPv4 address can change if your router has been disconnected for a long period of time, or some other cases where, to be honest, I don't even know what's happened to it. But basically, if your server stops working, it may simply be that the IPv4 of your router has changed, and therefore you'll need to go back into your port forwarding and alter the IP code so it matches your new IPv4. Other than that, there really isn't anything else I can say, to be honest.